Hello and welcome to one of my C++ tutorials where I'll be doing another way which we can do variables called Boolean. But before we do, I'd like to give a reminder to please like, subscribe and share my videos, especially if you enjoy them. But without further ado, we'll go into Boolean. So Boolean, it's a variable. So it's a data type where only one of two outcomes is possible. Just yes or no, true or false. That's two outcomes there. The way we do it in C++ is like this. So you just type in the word bool, and we could say something like, is coding fun? And we can set that to true. And we could do another bool, is fish tasty? I know I like fish, but I'm going to set that to false. And then we see out, is coding fun? I'm going to end line. And then we're going to do another see out, is fish tasty? End line. So what will happen is the first one will output true, and the second one's going to output false, which in this case, 1 is true, 0 is false. So that works in binary in C++, but whereas in other programming languages you can get true or false, but in this case, it's just going to be 1 or 0. And we can even explain it by doing a comment saying output 1, output 2. So let's say we want to do some comparison operators for instance. So a comparison operator is a set of operations where we're comparing where something is equal to something else or whether something's true. So let's say I want to do a see out, and I'm going to say 5 greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. End line. 5 is greater than or equal to 4, which won't actually work in this case. This sort of thing works in other languages, others don't. So we're going to have a look. We're going to look at comparison operators in C++. And we're going to have a look. And if you don't know it, this is where we've got to learn. So let's go down, for example. So in C++, you will need to use bracket. In C#, you don't. In C++, you've got to do a set of brackets in C out. So C out, comma, comma, when you press the shift. And then what we're going to do, we're going to do a set of brackets, 5 greater than or equal to 4, end line. Let's try another one. 5 equal to 4. And let's do a few more for good luck. Equal to let's have a go. Let's run these and let's see what we can do. You can go, you got 1 and 1, their output, so they're true, and 0 and 0, they're false. So there are more operators we haven't used, so we're going to use those. And the ones we haven't used are less than or equal to, and we haven't used greater than, and we haven't used less than. Let's run it. Let's see that work. So we've used all the comparison operators, and these are just some of the combinations we can do. We know 5 is greater than or equal to 4. 5 is not equal to 4. 51 isn't equal to 4. 51 is not equal to 40. 51 is not less than or equal to 4. 51 is greater than 40, and it's not less than 40. So you can see, so you can gauge with whether something's true or not. And that is 2 ways in which we can do Boolean expressions in C++. I hope you've enjoyed my video. So please like and subscribe and share my video far and wide. And I look forward to making more videos for you soon. Bye for now.